Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Craftsman 20V battery charger is showing a solid or blinking red light and not charging the battery properly, it can leave you stuck right when you need your tools the most. That red light is actually a warning signal, and it usually indicates something specific like overheating, a battery fault, connection issues, or a charging interruption. The confusing part is that the charger doesn't always explain the exact reason, which makes it harder to understand what's going wrong. Instead of assuming the battery or charger is completely damaged, there are a few important checks you can do to identify and fix the issue step by step. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact process to resolve the red light problem and get your Craftsman charger working normally again. Try these. Step 1. Unplug the charger from the power outlet and remove the battery. Step 2. Clean the battery contacts and charger terminals to remove dirt or dust. Step 3. Allow the battery to cool down if it feels hot before charging again. Step 4. Reinsert the battery properly into the charger until it fits securely. Step 5. Plug the charger back in and check if the red light changes to normal charging. Step 6. Try another compatible battery to confirm whether the issue is with the battery or charger.